Hello guys, welcome back. This is Baba Yaga, and today in this video we are going to see how we can download bulk videos uh, on YouTube or basically a Linux uh, OS from YouTube or any other sources. So without any delay, let's get started. Let's go to our Linux box, and here it is now. So basically, first we open up our terminal. So basically, the tool that we will be using is called as YouTube DL. It is a Python script. So firstly, for that we will need to install PIP, or which is also known as the preferred installer program. So let's go ahead and download it. So the command for that is we'll execute this command as root or sudo, and then we say sudo apt space install, sorry, -y space python, and we'll use python 3 hyphen pip, and we say enter here. We give our password and press enter. It will download all the dependencies and go ahead with the installation process. I'll pause this video for now and get back when the installation is finished. I guess the installation is about to finish now. Yeah. So upon pip being installed, now next we will go ahead and download our tool. So we say sudo h pip install YouTube underscore DL, and we press enter here. So that is downloaded. Now, for the sake of demonstration, let's I have a YouTube video link that I'll be used for demonstrating how we can go ahead and download this, download a particular video. I'll use a YouTube video for an example here. So the command for that is YouTube -dl, and then we give the YouTube link like this for a video, and we press enter. So you can see um, it has got the title for the video, and it is going ahead and downloading the video. So I'll pause this video for now and get back when the downloading is done, and we'll show you the output. We'll also be discussing the other uh, features of this tool. So just stick back this video, we'll get back. Hey, I'm sorry guys, there was some problem with my internet connection, so I will be re-downloading the video. The video will be some other one now. So the link for the new video is this one, and with that I press enter. See, it got the description of the video, and it uh, is downloading the video now. I'll again pause this video till the this gets downloaded, and we'll get back. So guys, we are almost done, and yes, that video is downloaded. Now let's go to that video, see where it has downloaded that. We'll first go to desktop, this thing here. So we say ls here, and here is the video. So there we have the video downloaded. That's how much easy it is to download the video on Ubuntu using this tool with a single command. And say, for example, you want to download a bunch of videos, or a very very big list or playlist of videos, then even that can be done with just a single command. Okay, so for that, what you need to do is just go to that link, and similarly to that command, just say youtube-dl, and just paste that particular command. For this particular tutorial, the link is this. I'll not be downloading the playlist. It might take quite a lot of time to download the whole playlist. Just for the sake of demonstration, I'm showing it to you. So I press enter, and it just says that it has 50 videos, and it will start downloading automatically. Okay, so that's how easy it is to even download the whole bunch of playlists. Okay, so I'll press Control C here for now. um, the next feature that this tool has is you can also download the captions or the subtitles for a particular video. Okay, so to do that, you just need to add a switch to this command. Say for example, I'll just press the up arrow for my previous command, and yeah, this is the one for the video that we downloaded. And for downloading the subtitles, we just say hyphen hyphen all, and then we say subs. And if this video contains any subtitles, it will just download it like a charm. I press enter, and I should now be able to see the um, subtitles. So I press ls. I guess this particular video does not have any subtitles. So, but anyways, I have shown you the command for that particular thing. If you want to download, the next feature is if you want to download, say, all the available formats for a particular video, then you just say YouTube DL, paste the link here, and say hyphen hyphen um, format. Sorry, it's all hyphen formats, and you just say enter, and it'll start downloading all the 20 format. Say this video has 20 formats, so it will start downloading one by one. So that's how you do it. So I've for now I've just interrupted this download, and with this, these were some quite cool features for downloading videos on any Linux environment, either in bulk or singular from YouTube or any other video source you want. So that's all for this video, and please do share my channel, share this video, subscribe to my channel, Baba Yaga, uh, and thanks for watching. This is Baba Yaga signing off. Bye bye.